What's up guys, it's Awesome Friends 56 here. Today I just wanted to teach you how to do the matrix, and I'll get into how this is done here in a bit. Alright, now that you've seen what we're going to accomplish in this video, let me show you how it's done. First of all, you're going to want to create a text document. You can rename this text document whatever you want to, but it really doesn't matter because we're going to be saving this as a different file type. And once you get that done, you can you can open up the text document and do exactly as I do. What you're going to want to do is type @echo off, and that's going to tell the program whatever it needs. I'm not exactly 100% sure on what it does, but many programs require that to be put at the beginning of the batch programs. So now that you have echo off, you can put the title as the matrix, and you can change the color. This is the main part of it, and how you get the black and the green text. Normally with the command prompt you would have black and gray text or black and white text, as you can see here, and that's not what we want. We want it to be black and light green, so the color codes for that is 0A, the first color on that being the background and then the text. Next thing we're going to want to type in is mode 1000, and that's going to allow us to put it in full screen and it actually fill up the entire screen. So if we look here at command prompt, if we go full screen with it, it doesn't actually fill up the entire screen. It only fills up this half of it. So this is going to allow us to have it fill up the screen with no problem. The next thing we're going to want to do is start writing the program, I believe. Let me check on this real quick. Alright, now what we're going to want to tell it to do is go to greeting. You're going to type in whatever you want it to go to, and you're going to have to type it in case sensitive, however it should be done. And I like to put CLS in front of everything at the beginning of each new section, just to kind of clear. What it does is it clears the screen for you. And we're just going to do a simple greeting, hello Neo. So to do that, we have to type in echo hello Neo. We're going to type in pause after that, and then go to matrix, and let's add a CLS in front of that matrix, in front of the go to matrix, because we don't want it to start clearing the screen. So now that we have all of this typed out, we can get to the effect where the following numbers come into play. Now we could easily just go echo and then type in a bunch of random stuff, but something that would make it cool would be for the numbers to be randomized. And how do we do this? Well, first of all, we're going to type in %random %, and we can type in, if we want this to loop, we can type in go to matrix again. And so let's go ahead and save this. Save as. Yeah, we're gonna want to hit save as, and we're gonna, in this folder, we're gonna type matrix.bat. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna save it as a program that you can open up with command prompt. As you can see, we already have the black and the green text just like we wanted it to be, and if we hit enter, it's going to start spamming the numbers. Now we want this to go all the way across the screen, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this random and we're going to have to copy it and we're going to have to paste it a bunch of times. Now I'm using the keyboard shortcuts for this just to make it faster, and I'm just spamming Control V. And now that I have that spammed in there quite a few times, let me do that a couple more times. Now it should fill up the entire screen. So we're going to go ahead and save that, and we're going to reopen the program, make that full screen. But this is way too fast. And that's another problem I noticed with a lot of other people's tutorials on how to do this, is that it's way too fast. Now, I do have a code that I have in my other one that I pre-made. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this program and copy this over. If you can turn this delay up to whatever you want it to be, but basically if you copy this code, then you should be able to put that delay on there. You can change this to whatever you want. For this video I'm going to change it to 0.3, and that just says that every 3 milliseconds it'll go back to the matrix. So it pings that for 0.3 milliseconds and then goes back. And I think adding this null tag to the end actually doesn't show anything, so it won't interrupt the command. So we're going to save this for the last time, and we're going to open up our program that we just made. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It supports me, and if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments section down below. So until next time, I bid you all farewell. Thanks for watching.